Hi you guys, this is Elizabeth here. So today I decided to do like a green look since yesterday was, it was St. Patrick's Day. I've never tried a green look, so this was like very new to me. Um I decided to just, go with the flow and it came out pretty good. But I want to do too much talking. Thank you guys for watching. So let's get into the video. Bye.
So I've actually already did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm gonna do an updated tutorial later. But I just take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium, and I'm just gonna use that for my base for my eyeshadows, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid, and I'm just gonna blend that in with like a little blending brush. Then I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in medium deep and set my concealer with that. I really like this loose finishing powder. I've been using Laura Mercier, and sometimes I feel like it's better than Laura Mercier. I'm not trying to be shady or anything, but it has been working better for me. So I'm just going to use this color Top Secret from the Morphe / Definitely Hill palette. This is the Orange and Gorgeous one. I'm just going to take that color, that shade, and put it all over my lid. And I'm just going to pack this on for right now, and later on I'm just going to blend it. Okay, so this video I'll use mostly all like Morphe brushes. I find that Morphe is more affordable, and they're more affordable, and it's a good quality brush. Like, it moves the product around wherever you need it to go, and they have great blending brushes. I suggest anybody purchase the Morphe brushes for like if they don't want anything too expensive or anything like that. And trust me, this video is not sponsored or anything like that, but they definitely have good quality brushes. Honestly, like, I'm just surprised watching this video myself. Like, I couldn't even believe I was doing this. I was doing a pretty good job. But I'm just gonna take a blending brush and then just like go a little bit above my crease and blend it out. And I'm also going to blend it towards the end of my brow, but not too much. I apologize right now for the gum chewing. This is why I had to do a voiceover, because I didn't realize I had gum in my mouth and I was not going to be able to explain everything. But now you see me going back in with that same shade and like darkening up my crease area just to make it look more, pop, in your face. No, I'm just joking. So I'm actually using 2 palettes today. I'm going to use I'm actually using 3. So I'm going to use the Fruit Sorbet Violet Boss palette, and I'm going to take that lime green shimmer shade, and I'm just going to put a little bit of setting spray on my finger, and then so I can get more color, I'm going to put my finger into the eyeshadow and put it on my lid. So the third palette I'll be using is actually a NYX custom palette that I made for myself, and I'm going to take that lime green shade and just put it in my inner eye right there, just to give it a pop of color. Since I already have that shimmer shade, this is just going to make that stand out even more, honestly. And then the next thing I'm going to do is use this Vivid Bright, well, this is by NYX, and this is the Vivid Bright eyeliner in Vivid Escape. This just brought even more, like, I don't know, this just made the look even better. Like, how can I explain it? It just made it even better, and I don't know, I really love these eyeliners. I have almost every one of the colors, and they really make my eyes stand out, even when you just, like, don't want to do anything to your eyes but do like a wing liner. It's always nice to like have a pop of color. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Vivacious Lashes by Sephora, and I'm actually going to do that off camera. The next thing I'm going to take is the Professional Primer by Benefit and put that all over my face and just, you know, put in some skin, make sure it's smooth. And then under my foundation, I actually have been liking this product. It's the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in Gleam. And this just makes my skin look so like dewy, and it just makes it like glow even more. Cause lately I've been using a matte foundation, and it's my foundation from the winter time, which is the YXL, and it's in the number BB60. And I actually need to get a new foundation because this one's way too light for me right now. And I don't know, I need to get a different one. Sorry if you see me look off a few times because I've been like binge watching MasterChef. That has been my show. I love me some Gordon Ramsay, but yeah, just to let you know, I'm not distracted or anything. I am distracted, but it's something on TV. So what I did first was use the Lancome foundation brush and just put the product on, and then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. The MAC concealer palette. I think it's in medium or medium deep, but I'm using the contour shade that's in there, just the contour. And the brush that I'm using to apply this with is actually an e.l.f. contouring brush. This one, I'm not like gonna blend out with it. I'm just like, as you can see, I'm like raising the product on my cheeks, and then I'm gonna use my beauty blender to like try to blend it out as much as possible. And I also, you'll see me like, I probably sprayed my sponge a couple of times with the Too Faced Hangover setting spray, because I don't know, for some reason this product has not been working well for me. Like, I've been having to blend way too much. this is LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Pure Beige. I'm just gonna highlight with that. And I don't know, this is probably the best, one of the best highlighters and the cheapest highlighters you can ever use. And to set my contour, I'm gonna use the Morphe Bronzer. It's like a little palette. It has two different sides. One is more shimmery and then one is more matte. It's in the color Vlogger. And lately I've been finding it's best to not even contour my nose with cream, because I already have like a thin bridge, and I find it like when I put the cream on there, it makes my nose look even more like harsh, and I don't want any like a harsh looking nose or a fake looking nose, so I just put the powder instead. So I'm gonna just take that lime green color again and just pop that in my inner eye. And then I'm just gonna take that green from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then I'm just gonna put that on my bottom lash line. To set my face, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Spray. This is really a hydrating setting spray. I really like this, and the smell of it. Most setting sprays don't really have a smell, but this one smells good. So on my lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Butter Gloss and Madeline, and then I'm going to use a Butter London Gloss. I don't know the name because the name actually fell off of it, but I'm going to use that to top it. And for highlights today, I'm going to be using the Morphe High Impact Highlighter in Spark. And I'm really loving this highlighter, you guys. I don't know, I'm able to control this a lot more. You know, a lot of highlighters you can't really control. Like, you will tap your brush and like swipe, like hit off the excess, and it'll still be so much highlighter on there. But this one, you're able to like control the product.
Alright, so this is the final look. It came out pretty good. Like, this is, y'all don't even know. I'm excited for myself that I actually did this look because I'm so like a neutral girl. Like, I only do like warm browns and golds and stuff like that. I don't really try to do too much, but this is like so new to me, and I'm excited that I did this, but it came out pretty good. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I don't know, I will be uploading more often now that my pregnancy is coming to an end. Your girl is feeling more energetic and feeling like herself again. But yeah, this is the final look.